Hello, everyone. Welcome to our presentation on Amiibay, a e-commerce site meant to sell Nintendo-based amiibos. If you've never heard of amiibos, they are little figurines that can be used by a Nintendo enthusiast to both play as an avatar in the game and also have a collectible. Our team consists of Team Ramrod, Joel Block, myself, Stephen McDaniel, and Derek Ken made up our team, and we are very proud to show you our website. Our site starts with a team logo at the top, a nav bar that goes between the home, the admin, the logout, the cart, our template on the load site. We have a banner that comes down, a search bar, and then individual product cards. We utilized a pre-seeded API to create over 800 different amiibos populated within our e-commerce site. And the cool thing about being able to seed this and pull in different information is that we can use different templates. And we don't just have to have an amiibo site. This site can be used for any product. And that's useful for any entrepreneurs trying to create a site. And we can use this same template and we can plug and play it in any different way. Each of our amiibos has a unique card that you can click on, and then a more detailed description, which you can check out and buy. You must be logged in order to leave a review for each one. So for the Dr. Mario, I'd say, I love this amiibo. And then you must fill all fields. My nephew loved this as well, and you can submit it. Now, once you submit it, you must be logged in order to create a view, and you must be logged in order to, only the logged in user can delete. The only other person that can delete it is an admin account. And that is just to kind of make sure that nobody abuses the site. They do have the potential to remove some reviews that don't necessarily, or maybe they're created by someone that didn't actually purchase a product. That consists our product cards, our detailed info for each one. We also have the ability to search through by, say, like, I want to look at the Zelda amiibos. I can come through and our pagination still functions. We can come to the first, we can select through and look at Donkey Kong, and the Donkey Kong games will show up. We can find Mario Sports Superstar amiibo cards. We can also look through Final Fantasy, and those all show up. In addition to that, I think that covers most of the product cards. And I did want to show that our site is also mobile responsive. You can jump to the iPhone 12 Pro, and our banner disappears to make it fit within the page. Our buttons are still functional, and you can still, even on a mobile, scroll through all of the product cards and jump to the last and back to the first, and then through each one of the pages as you look. Mobile friendly, it's very exciting. And with that, I'm going to hand this off to Joel to pick up his portion.
All right, thank you very much, Stephen. Let me share mine. So here we are on our Amiibay site, and we're going to talk about creating a user profile. So as you can see before, Stephen mentioned that only logged in users can create reviews. So we want to make sure that we can create an account successfully in order to leave reviews for our favorite amiibos. So I'm going to create an account right here. And let's sign up. And oh, unfortunately, this username is already taken. So we can see that our we can only create a new user if the username is unique, if the email address is unique, and also the password has to be a certain length, and the confirmation password and the password have to match. So let's change our username and sign up so we can see that we've created a new page. And now if I wanted to leave a review on this Mario amiibo, I could. I'm going to go ahead and log out, and I will log into another one of our accounts of our wonderful users. And we can log in, and we can also see here in our dev tools that we are using a cookie right here. And we are using HTTP only and same site strict for our cookie, which is a much more secure system than storing a token information in local storage. Also, we are using Decrypt to hash our passwords before storing them in the database. So that is an added measure of security. And let me log out now. We'll show you our admin page. So let me log in as an admin. So as you can see here, the admin button has popped back up. So I can go to my admin page. I can add a new product if I like. I can look through our product inventory and say I need to change any of the information on this specific card or this specific product. I can change the quantity here, the price, what have you. I can also scroll down and see all the users that are currently registered with this site. And if I need to make one an admin, I can make them an admin, or I could delete them if they don't need to be an account. So I'm going to delete that user that I just made earlier. And as you can see, I got the pop-up saying that it was successfully deleted. And with that, that covers our user experience. I'm going to pass this off to Derek, who's going to talk to you more about our cart and our checkout system.
Okay, share. Let's say I'm a customer, and we can come down to all of our products. Let's say I want to buy Dr. Mario, Cat Mario, and a Luigi. We scroll up, we can see our cart has been updated with the number of amiibos that we have. I could also click on a specific card. If I'm not sure if I want to purchase it, I could read the reviews. If I decide I want to buy it, I can change the quantity here. So I could add 3 Luigis. That updates our cart. And so I can come to our cart page. Here, I can update the quantities of our amiibos. So let's say I want 2 Dr. Marios, 2 Cat Marios. I can remove a item from our cart. So let's remove this Luigi. I also have the option to clear our entire cart if I wanted to. When I'm ready, I could click to checkout, which brings us to our Stripe checkout page. This displays all of our amiibos that we had in our cart, the quantity and the price of each of them. It totals it all up for us. If, let's say, I forgot to add a Peach amiibo, we can come back. It'll bring us back to our cart. We can just easily go back home and add a Peach amiibo. So let's say now this cart looks like what we want. Let's go to checkout. You can see our Peach is now here and our price has been updated. So let's add our payment information. I will use a fake payment card to test. So I can click pay, Stripe will process our payment. And if it's successful, it'll bring us to our success page, which then will redirect us back to our home page. We can see now that our cart has been emptied. And if we come to our user profile, we can see that our Luigi, Dr. Mario, Cat Mario, and Peach have now been added to our order history. And that is Amiibay. Thanks for watching.
Thank you guys. Have a good one.
All right, have a good one. Thank you.